Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the PUFTEM brand or electric spin scrubber. It's a cordless shower scrubber or sink cleaner. Anywhere you want to scrub something, your floor. Has 8 scrub brushes, 2 speeds, adjustable extension handle, and a battery level display. I want to show you how to use this. We're going to be using it to clean a couple surfaces like my shower floor. This gets excellent customer ratings, has a year warranty, and it's IPX7 Waterproof. So this company worked to upgrade the motor, has stronger, more consistent cleaning power, more torque. It's optimized extendable rod and connector design. It's easy to assemble, and it doesn't come apart during use. I'm going to show you that. And they reduced the overall weight of this product, so it's effortless for men, women, and seniors to handle. So if you ever had one of these before, they're really great. This one has 2 speeds, 380 RPM, and 450 for tougher stains. It'll rotate even faster. And the IPX7 is important. It means that if there were about water hitting it and splashing on it, and you have this long, nice handle, it goes from 43 to 52 inches, and these brushes are replaceable, and you could get more from the company. It has a USB A to C charging adapter cable on here. You provide your own 1 amp supply, and it has a little holder to hold the whole thing. So what's unique about this, I noticed right off the bat, there is the charging port right there. It's much lighter than other units. It has a lot of torque. So when you hit this button there, you get a nice display showing you the percent left. Hit it again, it goes to the higher speed, and then off. This is the output, mechanical output right there, where you're going to be putting the various attachments. For instance, this attachment right here goes on there, and you pull it off by pulling hard in an outward direction. Then you can put all the different attachments on here. This is like your scrubber, like you might use on your dishes, and that other one was a soft pad. This is extremely soft pad. This is excellent for putting paste on your car if you want to polish your car up. This is also excellent for that also. It has this unique holder that has a very sticky back to it. You put it on your wall, and this will open up, and it has a silicone band on there, and the leg or the arm of the handle will go right in there. Very clever. So the other brushes that it comes with, it's got this brush right here, and the round dome brush, as you see, and then these 2 other brushes. This one is smaller, and then this one is kind of a smaller one that's got that unique shape. This is excellent for getting into corners in your shower. It will get into those corners perfectly and allow you to clean those areas off. Now the handle itself, really nice. It has a ring on there to hang it, and this just screws inside here when I got it. Simple as that. There's another handle right there, and then on the other side it has an adjustable piece. You just push this like that, and it ratchets out like that, and locks right in place. Then when you want to move it back, you just push that button and it'll lock in place. Here's the mechanism. You see how it's moving when I push that, and that's what allows this to connect. So you see it's got a flat side right there. So this goes right in and locks in place like that. Very simple and very solid. I love that, how they did that. Now that mount I was talking about can go anywhere on the actual piece like that, and really holds it in place really nicely. So that's great. So we're going to do some scrubbing of my tiles on my, actually it's a fiberglass floor on my shower stall. There's some areas that need to be cleaned. So I'm just going to show you real quick here an example how to put this on. This thing fits on here a certain way, and you just take it and you line it up with those. There's little tabs inside there if you look, and there's little tab receptors right there. So you line those up, and then you push, and it goes right in place like that. When you want to remove it, you pull it out. This is really nice. It's got really good bushings in here. Then when you hit the button, you got your brush going like that. And again, they really did a great job. It's got a lot of torque on it. Charging it's very simple. Using a USB-C adapter, the cable it comes with you could use, and I'm charging it with 2 amp supply right there. And it's nice because the display, let me turn this here, the display will advance, and it's showing a little blinking green LED right there, and it'll advance showing you that it is charging. So here I'm in my shower area, and I got a couple of stains on here. I'm going to be using this head on this unit, and I'm outside of the shower because of the long extension handle. I could actually work outside of the shower area, which is really nice. Let's put it on low. I have a little barkeeper's friend on the floor right there. And you really appreciate how light it is when you start moving this thing around. And you can get the drain right there so nicely. And with the extension handle, I'm sitting right here and I'm just moving it along. And if you want to get those corners, you can put that corner one on there if you want. So you can see that's a significant improvement over what it was. Now I could do it again and use a little more barkeeper's friend, but I just want to demonstrate one pass using that product, and it did a really good job, especially in that corner where I had that stain there for months. So it did a really good job. So after testing, what do I think about the PUFTEM brand, their electric spin scrubber with the 8 scrub brushes and 2 speeds? I love this product because of the display on here. I mean, I've never seen one that has an actual display letting you know how much energy is left. And they did make it very light, and all these attachments work great. All the arm on there lets you reach hard to reach places. You have a lot of choice of different brushes. They did a great job on this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.